this is Max from MaxCaven.com, and me and Dusty are going back to the Boundary Waters. We're here right now. Dusty and I are going in at Duncan off Bearskin, and we're gonna hot tent. It's end of October. Weather isn't supposed to be that bad, but we figured got a hot tent, might as well use it. Got my Northwind Solo. Dusty has his Escapade. Got some camera gear, some fishing gear. Got the hot tent. And we're gonna have ourselves a good old time. Aren't we, Dusty?
Yes, we are.
Good old time.
Great old time. I'm ready.
Look at that. Oh, I hope I got that. Beautiful entry. I did not trust myself to do that. Off to Duncan Lake. Just gotta go around that point. Alright, just gotta make it around this point without dumping. We're surfing right now. So I don't know if you can hear me or not, but we just paddled through that. And that was some of the sketchiest paddling I've ever done personally. But we made it, 0.8 miles. There's there's Dusty. There's a portage to Duncan. We're gonna scope it out right now.
Made it.
Barely made it. It's a garden walk here. A lot calmer here on Duncan than it is on Bearskin. Ready. Couple solo boys. Look at this boy. This is our campsite. Really cool campsite. On this point, got the canoes there. Nice Smith Foundry fire grate. I think we're gonna put the hot tent right here. So we got the hot tent set up. It's a little kittywampus, but that's because it's because we're in the Boundary Waters and there's not always enough room to spread out completely, but this will definitely work for us tonight. Make some coffee. Got our burritos roasting by the open fire. Or by the open stove. Well, it's not open, but...
Oh yeah.
What you doing, Dusty Tuck?
We have burritos tonight.
You're doing all the work and I'm laying on the ground watching the fire.
You're cooking.
Yeah, I'm cooking. I'm warming up the burritos.
Yeah.
Well, day one success. Almost died on West Bearskin. Just kidding. That was fun, right, Dusty?
Oh, it was a good time.
So I think we're just gonna go hang out in the tent and get up early. Plan tomorrow is go to Rose Falls, check out Rose Lake, maybe check the Border Route Trail out, and then see where we're at. Say goodnight, Dusty.
Good night. Hope the fishing's better tomorrow so we don't go hungry.
It's a cloudy day here on the North Shore, but kind of balmy. 47 degrees, I think, here at the WCA weather station.
So me and Dusty are headed for Rose Falls, Rose Lake maybe, Border Route Trail maybe. I think the plan now is to paddle down that way, have a quick lunch, do some exploring, head back to camp and break it down and head home. It's supposed to be rainy and windy tomorrow, so we figured we'd get out of here while the getting's good. It's a little calmer here today. Your hand? It's pretty crazy to be paddling in October. It's almost November, and we just got done with the trip, and it's like 50 degrees out. And you could, I don't know, I'm sure you could be out here next week in November if you wanted. Say goodbye, Dusty.
Bye.
Thanks for coming along with us. We're gonna go.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Well, he said it. We're gonna go with some cheeseburgers now. Peace. I'm gonna talk to myself, so